something a little bit different today. It's going to be a review and a colouring one, but it's for this Tombow ABT acid-free colourless blender pen. So it comes with two ends. So there's this pointed tip that I'm not actually too much of a fan of. I much prefer the brush tip that's on this side. And I'm going to show you how to use it basically, the way that I've taught myself to use it anyway. And I'm going to test it with some watercolour pencils, which these are my ones. They're just some basic, cheapy watercolour pencils. And also with my Jazz Art pencils. So I've also got a piece of paper so that I can wipe the pen off after I'm done with a certain colour. And the book that I'm colouring from is one that I've already started a page out of the Bollywood book. So that's this one. I've already been playing around with the watercolour pencils, so I'm just going to do a little bit more. So first things first, I'm just going to make sure that it's not got any colour on it. That's fine. So I'm going to pick one of my watercolour pencils. So I'll do watercolour first. So that's just pretty much how I've been using it. It's probably wrong, I don't know, I've never actually used one of these things before. This is all just sort of trial and error, see what works for me kind of thing. But the other thing that I've been mucking around with is blending two different colours together. So I'll just do that there. So again, this is with the watercolour pencils. These are not the best watercolour pencils. They're just some pretty cheap, basic sort of ones, but they do the job. So yeah, I've been having fun with it though. I'm quite happy with this. I picked it up off eBay for like $5, so pretty inexpensive. I also have Prismacolor pencils, but I'm like the blending pencils from Prismacolor. I'm not super happy with those ones. So the Tombow one is really good. It means that I don't have to use water. So now I'm going to test it with my Jazz Art pencils. I don't know how well you can see that from this angle, but, you know, Jazz Art pencils. So I'm just going to pick two random colours. I'll do them here. I'm really happy with my Jazz Art pencils. I don't use them as much. I'm totally more into colouring with my fine liners. But these are really nice, smooth pencils, and I'm really happy with them. So I'm just going to do the same sort of colour scheme that I did before. nice with both. I probably prefer with the watercolor pencils at the moment, but I'm really happy with this. I'm really happy that I sort of splurged and got myself one. I much like them. I much prefer them. But I will do a little sample. So these are the Prismacolor blending pencils. So these ones work with pencils, and I'll do a test with these ones too, but I'll do it on the other side. So with the Jazz Art, I definitely prefer the Tombow, and I will probably end up getting a couple more of them for my colouring. I'm not the greatest colourer, I guess. I'm definitely a bit more basic, and I'm not great with blending, but yeah. So the Tombow one is definitely my favourite, and that's it. So I'll see you guys later. Bye. Ow.